Hi, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Lisa. What's your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Lisa.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Australia. What do you do, Tom?
I'm a doctor. What about you?
I'm a teacher.
That's great. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. It's really fun. How about being a doctor?
I enjoy it a lot. It's hard work but rewarding.
That sounds nice. What do you do in your free time?
I like to go hiking. What about you?
I love reading books.
That's cool. It was nice talking to you, Lisa.
Nice talking to you too, Tom. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi there, I'm Michael. What's your name?
Hi Michael, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago, but I've been living in San Francisco for a few years now. And you?
I'm originally from Boston, but I just moved to New York last month.
Wow, that's exciting. How do you like New York so far?
It's amazing. The city never sleeps, and there's always something to do. What do you do for work, Sarah?
I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech company. And you?
I'm a graphic designer. I mostly work freelance, so I can work from anywhere.
That's great. I've always thought freelance work offers a lot of flexibility.
Yes, it does, but it can be challenging to manage time and projects on my own. How about you? Do you enjoy your job?
I do. It's challenging but rewarding, especially when we launch a successful product.
I can imagine. So, what do you like to do when you're not working?
I enjoy hiking and photography. It helps me relax. What about you?
I love playing the guitar and trying out new coffee shops in the city.
That sounds fun. I also enjoy finding new places to explore. Maybe you can recommend a good coffee shop in New York sometime.
Absolutely. Let's keep in touch.
Definitely. It was great talking to you, Michael.
You too, Sarah. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Hi there, I'm Sophie. I don't think we've met before.
Hello, Sophie. I'm James. It's a pleasure to meet you. Are you here for the seminar?
Yes, I'm attending the seminar on leadership development. How about you?
Same here. I'm always interested in expanding my leadership skills. By the way, what do you do for a living?
I'm a project manager at a tech company, overseeing software development projects. And you?
I work as a consultant in the finance sector, primarily focusing on risk management.
That sounds intense. Do you get much free time outside of work?
Not as much as I'd like, but I always make time for my family. I'm married with 2 children. My wife is a lawyer, and we have a daughter who's in high school and a son in middle school. What about you?
That's lovely. I'm also married. My husband works as a civil engineer, and we have one son who just started university.
Oh, that must be exciting for him. What is he studying?
He's studying computer science. He's always been passionate about technology.
That's great. Do you all live nearby?
Yes, we live in the suburbs. It's peaceful and has good schools, so it's perfect for families. What about you?
We live in the city center, which is convenient for work, but sometimes I miss the quiet of the suburbs.
I can imagine. Balancing work, family, and personal interests can be quite a challenge.
Definitely, but family is a priority for me. We make sure to spend quality time together on weekends, whether it's traveling or just doing simple activities like cooking together.
That sounds wonderful. Family time is really important. We enjoy hiking together as a family, especially on holidays.
That's a great way to stay active and bond. Well, it was great meeting you, Sophie.
Likewise, James. Let's keep in touch.
Absolutely. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.